Hi, this is my uncle and auntie. We're at Castle Hill and we're going to walk up the track, the Summit Loop track, 260 meters for return. This is their first time in Townsville and I just want to record this memorable moment. I hope they like their time here. How are you liking it so far?
It's really great.
It's great.
Really excellent.
Really excellent. Yeah. I hope they're enjoying. Today's weather is nice, sunny, windy, and a bit cloudy, and it's warm, like late 20s. I don't think we hit 30 degrees Celsius. And I came back to where we were abseiling. It's good to wear sunglasses in your heads, sun wise. That's the view. They're coming towards me. This is a 360 view. 360 view in Cantonese 360度觀景，360度觀景，360-degree view. Yeah, we can go further. Okay, see that sailing boats, so many sailing boats, and that is the city direction. We can keep going. And this is the sunset direction in front of us. Oh, we need to take some photos. We need to take some photos.